Do you want to know how to get the rock solid spell in Black Myth Wukong and how to use it? Well, this is the video for you. The first thing you should know is that in order to obtain the rock solid spell, you must first defeat the Tiger Vanguard. We have a video on how to defeat and how to find the Tiger Vanguard on this channel, so make sure to check them out if you have any difficulties with that. When you finally defeat the Tiger Vanguard, he'll turn to stone and crumble away. The headless musician will reappear and return Sun Wukong's legendary stone form back to the Destined One, giving you the rock solid spell. This is your one big defensive parry, taking the place of Cloud Step to completely negate any incoming attack when timed right, and it will stagger the enemy to open them up for attack. Now here is how to get and use the rock solid spell to parry in Black Myth Wukong and when to use it.